Welcome back to AutoForm CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to keep every follow-up, call, and deadline on track without leaving WordPress. This is your tasks screen. Every piece of work you owe someone in one list. Each task carries a type, a call, an email, a to-do, a meeting, so you know what kind of work it is before you open it. And each one is linked to the contact it belongs to. No more wondering who you were supposed to follow up with. Due dates are front and center. Anything overdue stands out immediately, so nothing slips. Priority tells you what matters most. High, medium, low. Sort your day by what actually moves the needle. Filter by priority or by type to focus. Or search across everything to find one task fast. When the work's done, tick it off. The status updates and it's out of your way. Open any task for the full detail, the description, the due date and time, the priority, and the contact or deal it's tied to. And creating a new one takes seconds. Title, type, due date, priority, link it to a contact, save. That's task management in AutoForm CRM. Every follow-up accounted for, right alongside the contacts and deals they belong to. Try AutoForm CRM yourself at autoformcrm.com. Just add your name and email, and you're in.